Good morning, RJO traders. John Caruso coming to you here for the morning of August 1st with your global currency commentary. First, we'll take a look at some of the numbers we saw come out in Europe last night. We did actually see contraction in the Eurozone PMI reading. That is the 11th straight reading we've actually seen contraction in that in the manufacturing index over there. Also, UK PMI fell to its worst level in 3 years. So there's still a lot of bad news coming out of Europe. However, today is FOMC day, and we'll know more about the United States' ongoing monetary policy. We will have that statement after 1 o'clock today. We did see ADP payrolls come out this morning. We actually saw an increase in July of 163,000 payrolls. We did actually last month see a reading similar. We saw a reading of 172,000 payrolls, and then we saw a big flop on the non-farm payrolls number shortly after that. So historically, it's not a very accurate reading as to what we're going to see on Friday with non-farm payrolls. That brings me to Friday. Non-farm payrolls number, they're looking for a reading of about 100,000 jobs that were added on in July. Last month we saw approximately 90,000 that were added. So we'll see that number on Friday. I think the market is just going to kind of remain choppy up until that point. Of course, we're going to have a lot of volatility coming into the 1 o'clock hour with Ben Bernanke and his statement from the Feds. Taking a look at the markets real quick, the dollar index, we're flat to higher right now. We're up about 7 ticks on the morning, trading 82.79. We are coming off the lows. The euro right now, it is flat to lower, trading right around that 123 level. One of the markets that I've been really high on here lately has been the Japanese yen. That is one of your flight to safety markets. Right now that is showing down about 20 points on the morning at 127.87. We do have some support coming in down around 127.38. I still am bullish that market moving forward. I do have a target set upwards around 129 as a short-term target to the upside for the Japanese yen. So that's one of the markets I like. Feel free to give me a call anytime. I'll be around all day. 1-800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk and may not be suitable for all investors.